Good afternoon, my dear students. So today is 25th October October ki tang kun na yoksan gre matam de khang hok de ko ngang sa jara hoksan gi sini hayang sita ngai you will be in class 10 khang ho roi but adu bu ke dore as you go higher and higher classes tam wang khala puni na your knowledge also has to be upgraded wang khat pada ka ta aduna class se sang na ya hong na ba oza singa tong na ka nga sisu na khoi gi school da parents meeting la ya na hagum to ni ka the parents sing do hoi aina phangba class ta budi kitang thiangani so parents sing do ya ra ka di my humble request to each one of you is that please attend the meeting at the school school da sele pa meeting da yang na bo nan si have ni ka aduna nga angang sa ekoi se larik se asi kitang asi ki man oi ba meeting su school ke site ke su puthom ga ne na khale online class to base offline oi na on tha ba kai ga sarkar gi kano ta gi November tha da gi ka ba ya ta ba na khara sumaina khara phangi ka adu kai ga ba na condition duna lai ra ga di online da to bai mo ta offline da oi na to ba ki oi na tan khana ra ka adu ma koi consider to ro parents meeting to ro school si authority ga to ro ka kari ana ge ha tu ma koi sum yeminar se dai ma khata rak pada yang ngara na inagi ba haibiti kaina on the last Saturday da nai ki ma kha yang si ka on the last Saturday we have discussed construction khara horame concept sing ka ngarangi class ta haibiti nahan ki class ta we have discussed how to draw a similar angle yapama then how to draw bisector of an angle ki bisector yakuduma koina tamba hogre ka ado aina nahan so hai ki aingonda hosi instrument se kitang wale leitre leitabana mang moidana ai koina taiba sagatli ba se ka kitang naning thung badi wala ni ado bu ke dore aina iriba step sing siga na koina yumda kulai sing puthu oga step 9 na tawraga di almost it will be similar ka aingonda na koida kitang mungai ta su phawe na koi jo forum gane na khali ka aduna yanga masi khara makha ta thajem ka so today we'll be starting discussion on the how to draw perpendicular bisector perpendicular bisectors of a line iriba wise ke address se hana hagi ngo perpendicular bisector habidi kari hoide na perpendicular habidi ekoina tamgre kari hana tamgre 90 degree habini ka line ani ye ke do ni ye ke do line ani sigi marak ta semai ba angle se it should be 90 habini kan darba adagi bisector haigana kai wani bisector means bi hadi ani habana dra sector haigana khaidok pa habani nadra ne koina class ta n section kya khaidoi ha kanda section ani sui ahum sui mari sui na haidra ne admai tawdana perpendicular bisector haidi kari hoidena angon the line ama piramani piriba line do ke daure haba ani tona khaidoreba line se atopa line na khaido ka toina dra khaidoba line su ke daure asagi piramiba line da perpendicular hoidoi haba chaduna yengo let's draw a line ka line ama hana yeksiengo line se samaina lairani line number laire the line here we have to consider a line segment ka line segment we consider dogini yanda ne ka hariba line se ki perpendicular bisector yellow hai bani hai di ke dore line se tan khai do plus mon the perpendicular line me yellow hai bani ka adu yango step wise e asem ka aina explain to wasika na koina yum da kulai ga torga loina na dum tawre yango ka sengo given the p is kaina a line segment AB idana line segment nama pire si arrow je ha ko kum sika kan koida ukara ko na confusion pe ai sa se arrow ya bina ato arrow ita di line with ni na ha bi kan da ka line segment AB ha pum pire ka kan da ba requirement na kai na to draw the perpendicular bisector of kanagina ABC. And darba, I have a line ABC perpendicular bisector here to Nika. Although sometimes I know quite the hiding Malay construction that Dika diagram yellow was set. I don't have a Aquina Atopa question singing diagram make this height the Yektra. But I do get for construction, the construction of men never got. Saga labor photo answer when Otwini, Atopa like put in the Quintus reference low at the Nicotana construction Yakumatam the line the yellow labor figure sing the Yaraga the answer to give my either way at the hello got. Yandabra hanging is that. At the Yakuna question the diagram circle and the Yakumatamda, Tragana triangle, Nakan the Yaki the Naka. Aduna Kainat we are taking those figures as a reference logo at the neighbor. Adu see that the Yelaka Delbeka Poto Kayuna, that is your main answer neighbor. Then I got the main answer to the Kadore, we have to be, it has to be written on the middle portion of the middle part of the your answer sheet to know it in the car. Duna answer sheet to this the Kanano Siki Wayna, your answer paper, the Kanano, your notebook to Natra, a notebook to give my ida Yaxia happening hanging is a car. Said the name up. So line number line segment number P. This is the point A. This is the B. And there you go. Other signal particular I think the command of the name and steps a macadam ega. Steps a salactrabudi sandisalaroica to the singer number 1. I quite a compass lorny, compassicadore, we have to consider. Kayodiba S Magi ABC midpoint says high the Tabay, I can imagine the woman later. That's our Kumakangi, as much as my eyes high Tabay, I don't know. And I got, as I quite a laboratory bar compass key radius around set. It has to be more than half of the AP. And that, and hide the coin senior happen to the country Natra, or the highway target D, Quinagadore. Stand hide here, have a considerable Dotra. And the first Gadore with the center A. Is not center way hello go. Aduga take a radius. Number radius now more than half of AB. I say say huh? Corner. Tàu siêu cả cái even cái tăng channel rồi tàu đấy, step tàu này còn là ít siêu cả, đã sal rồi tàu đấy cả, thế này, xem không, explain anh tàu cái ông cả, xem không, anh nói cái hai ba, is na center way đấy, adu cái này compass cái arrow sẽ, tăng khai thì khai là lo, adu cái tàu này, we have to draw two arc, tăng anh ta cái đó on above among makhada ma, yang darba, adu nó cái lani sẽ, đó là mà tầm đó. Sina center where ni lagi aina ama sondama simakada mayaglan. Then I go sima. Then second step ke daure with the same radius as logi buduga hana yekiba agani se smai ka lo have. Then there go. Kana point ko na kana lawr sige C ni mana D ni hana lawro atu point and samjan ro. Then there go. Point and sum na kana phang ka do point ka ina that would be the perpendicular bisector. Yeah, what's that? So my lack of and then you can say CD is the perpendicular bisector of the AB with the Nika. Still, Sigi Sarapa, Sina, suppose E ni Hanin Kalon, A is a B is a manarani, as CD say AB da, because the perpendicular with the either way, the Nika. Can the Brasa say what the slow construction say, Nakan the E again, pay some of the clubs and Nabuka, my quick issue, come home about. So much that. Asing may di sige construction sige makadala kadaban ni ka. Yung ano na step of construction. So number 1 na kanana say we draw a line segment AB na tra. Number 2 na kanano with the center A sine kay dawre with the take a radius more than half of AB, we draw two arcs on above and the below of kanagino the AB. Yan dai ka AB digi matatang ka makadang wi yala kidra sa yeki ka. Then number sama na ngo step number 3 da with the same radius with the center B and with the same radius we draw another two arcs intersecting the previous arc at C and D. And the versa si ubre ngo urika dagi de kedarage ngo asi CD pangena tra number 4 da we join kanano C with D. C ga D ga samjanare ada CD abla ina pangaktra anduna CD is the perpendicular bisector of kanagino AB. Yar basa smaila ka doini ka siganda hui ka okay sima sinjalo yengo yar adrasya angani ka. Next thing we have to start constructing angle kara sagat pa house ka the hagat kadar be angle se ke dawre some standard angle ni angle oina mai ka dawna te ka when angle se 1 dagi hauraga sorry 0 de hoga 360 bo lai the angle loi mak to ye ka dawna te only some standard khar khangkat la ka ek pa hogu dai ni ka simu lage yare ko te. So number 1 the how to draw some standard angle analysis. Number 1 the kanala pe na 60 degree hani yeksi yen dai ka adu 60 degree ek padi am lai ka adu ke nga kamani ek tani eng sika line ama hana singani step kan sama khata tam thara ki nga rema na singa se o a hai de sika adaki mu nga o asina center we hello aduga equine longing ba compass ki radius ma lawro aduga dawni we have to draw an arc stagi ka o asina center we helani the compass ki around longing ma lawrani adu sida ke dawra ina arc ma yelani yandare ka yalai ba arcs na hanagi pirum area se kai de ka ankle suppose b de ka ankle as yandare ka adagi mo ke dawrani B tina center of Warani, the Silogi bar radius dot was up manana, she dagi in a kedale, Ama Yulani, Hanakakiba, Arksika the K, see the Kayalas. Yandaka, Aduga, Oga Siga Samzanaro, Samzanariba, lines, Naka Shamakani, angle 60 Shamani, with the Kanano, O Eva. yaraba se angani ka sigi points da sika ani duga sikana lare OC O nantraga COA se kai wedina that will be angle kanana 60 degree way to it can dai ka so adana step construction di erection wa number 1 da we draw a ray anano OA narva sa OA have a ray ma hana singe natra then at the matum na kai tawre step number 2 da with the center O and with any radius we draw an arc intersecting anano OA and kanagano B deke then dareka then adu matunna kadawage no step number 3 da with the center B and with the same radius kailani se we draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at C. And then we join kanano OC. OC join natra. Then find the angle COA is the required angle. That is kanana angle COA से that will be 60 degree now. Then apa sih? Sinjalo yang apa? Ya reka sih. Angga nikah. Separe yang apa tu deh? Nasi gede. Sinjalo isalah sih kah? Makhamol thabada tang sang dagrani aduna praktarani ka aduga exercise to ayang hotpo hausi ka exercise 11.1 yan darba se 11.1 do hang hotpo hausi ka yadra sima angani ka pare matati aina haining base lastly kaina my dear student please attend your class regularly ka samna class yauna basimo hanasi then class hours na kana busu mayam nei ka koi the pinning by information saying koi WhatsApp ki through the budi piri ga su class ki through the pinning ba kage yawi ka do high by information sing su khang na ba ma discussion tawri ba se video yenga ga di class yaur ga di ka khang ga ni su na ta gi no khatang sin ma na ya roi ka yare ko gyan tare ka ni sing se ira yara ba yare ka. Okay, then see you all in the next class. Stay safe at home. You may remember the person like you got. Okay, then bye bye.